How they look?
It's probably the beer makes you warm.
You gonna check Granny out?
Not yet. I'm okay.
What?
Don't have an earache. Nothing in control.
Nothing's in control.
Oh, blood pressure.
Oh, I got blood pressure problem. Check me out.
I have a blood pressure for 8 days.
8 days.
Until I failed trip.
Get it tight.
No, I do it because I'm the doctor.
Is it high or?
Yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
She's pretty healthy so
Do you want to
far.
check her heart out?
Yeah, check her heart. Stethoscope. She's very organized.
So what you got to look forward to.
What do we do next? I got shot. I know.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
shot.
shot.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm afraid I'm gonna cry.
That's her favorite part to do.
I like to do shots too.
I know you
Every
do.
day.
Shots every day.
Every day, Mommy.
How's her heart?
Let's check her back.
Okay.
Oh, you're back.
The doctors do that
Yeah,
to me.
breathe in.
Is she okay there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is she ready for a shot now?
Yes. Now next is the shot. Okay?
Don't forget to take the Band-Aid. I'm gonna cry already. Ah! It's the Band-Aid.
I'm too excited for that.
Ah!